guys, good morning. Welcome to another video. Today we are letting the person in front of us select what we get for our food all day. So we've got several stops to make. It's only like 10 minutes left for breakfast at McDonald's. Like, I know they serve it all day, but you know, it's like breakfast time. So I'm hoping that we'll get something breakfasty and then we're gonna go to Starbucks. I wanted to go to Starbucks first, but we're running a little bit late this morning. We just slept in, like, why not? I was exhausted. We're almost at Mickey D's, if you will. My biggest dreams at Mickey D's breakfast would be a McGriddle. That would be phenomenal. This is, to me, hella awkward. So I'm glad that he's gonna do the ordering. He doesn't really want to be on camera. There's two people in the car. This is a Toyota Corolla. They're from Mississippi.
Can you repeat that fast?
Could I have the exact same order that the people ordered?
You want the 4 sausages and a McGriddles and a medium orange juice?
We're kind of in line for a few minutes, so I will show you guys what we get. A medium orange juice, just one. There was two people in the car. That's not bad. Here you go.
Thanks.
I had some of it. It's a requirement. So we got 4 sausage McGriddles. I hope they're sausage egg.
Oh my god,
It's literally just sausage on a McGriddle. Where's the egg and the cheese, bro? Well, I did ask for a McGriddle, and I got that, so that's pretty sweet. I usually order a McGriddle with only egg and cheese, so.
So a lot of people would argue that a McMuffin, you know, is the way to go. But if you really had your druthers, you know, I don't think anybody would be going to McDonald's for breakfast. Because they, you know, if you really had the time, you'd probably be going to like Hardee's or Waffle House or Chick-fil-A, but it's Sunday, so.
No, I don't like English muffins. I don't care for that. It's like cardboard bread. All right, so that was breakfast. Now we're gonna go grab a coffee because I desperately need it. Okay, we got a truck in front of us. Okay. All right, so we're behind a Ford F-150 with a camper thingy on the back of the bed. What is it called? I don't know. Anyway, this guy is part of the Masonic Lodge. He's probably gonna order a black coffee. My biggest dream, since I stated that at McDonald's and it somewhat worked, my biggest dream would be like, what was that drink that somebody recommended for me? It was a caramel macchiato extra shot, extra drizzle. That was really good.
Yeah, he ain't ordering that.
No way in hell. Is there a woman in there with him? Please let there be. Yeah.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, I would like to order the exact same thing that the car in front of me just ordered, please.
Okay. Give me just a moment.
Okay.
Alright, so that is a grande Pike's Place and a tall ice quad espresso. It's 2 pumps of white mocha, $6.43, and we'll have it for you at the window.
Thank you.
Okay, so I was watching, who did I watch? What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I thought they were like trying to get in line. So I watched Sadie XO here on YouTube did YouTubers pick her drinks, and a couple different people did that where it was like 2 shots over ice with, you know, etc. How much was it?
6 something.
So if you guys don't do like the Starbucks app, you can like reload your gift card. You get stars and you can get free drinks and stuff. So I'm gonna reload my card.
Hey, it's gonna be $6.43. How are you?
How are you?
There you go. Are y'all doing the challenge with the car in front of you thing?
Yes.
The car in front of us was a regular, and she gets that quad like every single day.
I was so excited when I heard that order. I was like, yes.
Y'all have a great day.
Thank
very
you.
much, too.
Thank you.
Okay, so that was a quad espresso. That's 4 shots of espresso.
Rip your heart.
2 pumps of white mocha with heavy cream in a grande cup. Okay, I don't know what this is gonna taste like. Ooh! Oh, It's like settling to the bottom, so I'm tasting like espresso. I've got my energy for the day. The other drink is just like a tall pike roast. Your favorite. So now we are going to Sonic. I look like a trash bag because it is still 90 degrees in my house today. You guys don't need to know about that. But anyway, we're going to Sonic. The weird thing is, so this drive-thru, they have a regular drive-thru, but before you get there, there's like a person standing outside taking your order. Seems a little strange to me, whatever. So this could be weird. I'll start recording again when we get there. Okay, so we have fucked up. We're behind a Malibu with 4 people in it. I kind of hope they just get drinks at this point because I don't want to order 4 meals, but we're gonna see. So bear with us. Are you regretting that you agreed to pay for this one?
Hey, how are you?
Hey,
What can I get started for you guys?
We'll have the exact same order that car in front of us had.
They have 4 separate orders.
All together. One order.
All of that same food
Everything
on
they
board.
got.
Yes.
Should I tell you or should it be a surprise?
We can surprise.
Yeah,
Yeah, surprise.
Thank you.
Sorry.
That's okay.
I'm getting excited. 30-11.
That's right.
That's not bad.
No, it's not as bad as I thought it could be.
You guys have a great day. Good
Thanks,
luck
you
with
too.
that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
They were very confused, but the car in front of us ordered 4 separate orders and all paid in cash. I mean, clearly you know each other. Can you just get each other's food sometimes? Like, what the hell? But at any rate, so the total was $30.11. So we probably got like 4 food and drinks. Just gonna go home because this is really close. So when we get home, we will see what all we got. Okay, so we're home and this is the weirdest Sonic order. So of 4 people in the car, they got 1 drink during happy hour, which is a large water add cranberry. So apparently one of them had a urinary tract infection. Okay, let me read the ticket. It says cheeseburger only. Add mayo, add ketchup. I don't know exactly what that means, we're gonna find out. A large popcorn chicken score, a crispy chicken sandwich, a buffalo, maybe it's BW Asian buffalo wings is what I'm assuming that is. 2-piece barbecue, a large mozzarella stick, a large mozzarella stick, a large chili cheese tot, and then this cranberry water disaster. Okay, here's popcorn chicken. I can get down with this. So that's the Asian buffalo wings. A large chili cheese tot. Now I do like their tater tots, but I am not a chili person. There's a couple that don't have anything on them, but got cheese sticks. Ooh, they literally got a plain cheeseburger with mayo and ketchup. What is up with people? I didn't need a mozzarella stick. But those are good. All right, so this is the last thing, a crispy chicken sandwich. Alrighty, so that's a little bit of everything. We definitely have way too much food, but we're going to eat as much as we can and try not to be too wasteful. I was planning to go to Taco Bell later, which I think we'll still do, but probably hoping for a smaller order because I'm sure we won't be wanting a lot, but that'll be later on tonight. So that is it for now, and I will check in with you guys later. We're at Taco Bell. We are at the 3rd car in line. We're behind a Honda Pilot, and it appears there is 1 occupant in the vehicle.
Using a cell phone, so multiple orders potential.
Oh, fuck, I hope not. So we already spent $30 at Sonic. Not that, like, that's the worst thing, but, you know, can we keep it to a minimum? I'm not like, really hungry. Are you?
No, that lunch we had was huge.
Yeah, we ate so much food earlier. A smaller order would be ideal at this point, but this guy is ordering for a while, so
$13 is
he spent $13. I'm gonna try not to look at the screen though. I wanna be surprised.
Capriced? This is gonna sound really weird, but I would like to have the exact same order as the person that just ordered in front of me.
She's so nice.
She is.
Thank goodness.
Yes. It's not that bad.
I cinnamon twist.
Thank you.
All right, so we look like we have a pretty decent order. We are, again, pretty close to home, so I think we're just gonna go home and then we will show you guys everything we got. I did take a peek and there is a cinnamon twist, so I'm satisfied. What were the drinks?
1 medium Sierra Mist and 1 medium sweet tea.
A tea and a Sierra Mist. All right. Oh, lighting, hey. Look at that glass forehead. Hello. Hello. It's Beaker. Meep, 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 meep. All right, we're getting the food. See you in a minute. All right, we're back. We got 2 drinks. This is Sierra Mist and then bad sweet tea. I mean, it's not the worst, but it could be better. Like, who goes to Taco Bell and doesn't get like a Mountain Dew or like a Dr. Pepper? That's what I want to know. Because obviously today I am cheating on my stevia flavored or stevia sweetened soda, so this would be the day. Okay, so we got a cinnamon twist. That, yay, yummy. Little order of nachos. I have never had one of these things. So this is a Doritos Locos Taco. Ugh.
Here, burrito.
Got some kind of double burrito thing. Looks kind of gross. Beefy loaded Fritos griller. I doubt it. I'm gonna try it. That's weird. Something I can actually eat. Some nachos. Ah, a soft taco. Ah, all that faux beef. Okay, so 2 tacos, 2 beef Frito burritos, a Doritos Locos taco, a nacho, and a cinnamon twist. Oh, and a steak chalupa. I'll put in some hot sauce on my taco. 1 steak chalupa. I really like chalupas. I usually get, well, when I used to get Taco Bell, I would get like a just chicken or shredded chicken. And I don't really go for Taco Bell much anymore.
Chicken chalupa supreme.
Not bad. So what did you think about doing this challenge?
It keeps things interesting because you get out of the rut of having the same thing over and over and over.
All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please leave me a thumbs up and let me know any other type of videos you would like to see me do. One of those. That's enough. I thought you would have pulled it away. All right, I'm gonna finish my nachos and cinnamon twist, and then I'm probably gonna tap out and call it a night. So yeah. Huh? Okay, I do want to end with a dad joke. I was eating a popsicle earlier and had a joke on the little stick. So, why couldn't the skeleton go to the party? He had no body to go with.
Really? Hey guys, good morning. It is, I'm talking like it's a vlog. It's not a vlog. What is it? Video. It's a video. Hey guys, good morning. It is, I did it again. Today, it is almost, my chauffeur is an idiot. Hi, so now we're, hi. So we're,
Just in.
that's what she said. So we're at, oh, got that nice glow from all the fucking sweat.
I'm just catching some relax.
Your mom just relax.